Good morning. My name is Basant, and Basant means spring, and spring brings joy in our life. I hope that I also bring happiness in this class. I belong to New Delhi, a city of diversity, and so is my personality. Coming from such place has made me a very diverse as a person and very adaptable, as I have always had friends from all cultures and all religions and all the places. So starting from a very big, like very early stage, I was a taekwondo player initially. Then I was a senior under officer in NCC, and I was privileged to attend National Republic Day Camp 2014 and Thal Sainik Camp 2013. I javelin player for few years and a volleyball player alongside. In my college days also I have played javelin, and right now I am pursuing cycling as my current sport and hobby. I have always been a sports player, and it has made me a very motivated and a disciplined person. It has engraved a lot of qualities in me. I've done my graduation from Jesus and Mary College, University of Delhi, which is one of the best colleges Delhi University has, and I'm glad to be a part of the family. After my graduation, I was quite fickle-minded about what to do and what next I should do, and one thing which was constant in my mind was to join defense forces and to join Indian Army, and I was continuously preparing for it since 10th class. So that was the constant that I had in my mind, and with that I thought of getting into law. But later, after giving few interviews and entrances, I realized that this is not this is not where I want to go. I graduated in 2020. At that time, our result got delayed due to COVID and everything, like COVID and the situation. So, one thing which was constant in my mind was to getting into something which is a very it's a very adventurous field. So I was preparing for intelligence bureau. I was preparing for Air Force and Army, which was a constant till now. And with that I thought of getting into MBA, and I introspected and realized that it was my forte, and my IQ level matches that field. So I was happy to be taking up MBA, and I later realized that this is the thing and this is the right thing, and it really matches my personality, and it made me very confident. And so I think MBA has taught me a lot of things. And talking about PEM, coming to the class, talking to you, I really enjoy that part. And I really hope and I really look forward to this class every week. And it helps me to introspect myself. The personality test that we went through, it was very interesting, and I really hope that I learn more things, and I enjoy talking about everything related to personalities, related to psychology, apart from academics. And I really hope to share more stuff when we are in class. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving this opportunity to us, ma'am, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.